Hello YouTube, welcome back to our channel. My name is Fred Bergeron from Inaxsys. In my experience in the security industry, we often get to some different challenges when we need to build a new project or help a new client, design a system. One of these challenges has been that, okay, how can I restrict access to a specific room, and make sure there's only one user in that room, and then when the user left the room, then we can allow another user in. For us, there's a feature in this industry that is called interlock or man traps. There are several applications for this, okay? In the past, in older access control systems, this feature maybe was not available. So we had to use a logic of relays and door contacts to make sure that, like, if I open this door, the opposite door cannot be opened or accessed, all right? But those physical relays, they can fail, a wire can break, and then the whole thing stops working, and then you have to make a service calls to the site. Advanced security systems, access control systems, the interlock feature or the man trap feature is now built in because we have a card reader on the door, we know the door status, we have a door contact, all right? So basically, and this is obviously available with our Protégé, ICT Protégé system sold by Inaxsys. So let me give you an example of a good application for door interlocking. Cannabis industry, all right? People maybe they need to put some special suit on when they need to go into a room when cannabis is present, okay? But maybe there's a necessity of being decontaminated before going to the room, not to affect the quality of the plants inside. Basically, we need to use the card reader to enter the room. If I badge my card like this, okay, and I open the door, the opposite reader from let's say the cannabis room is disabled. So another user cannot enter that room in between until I'm on the other side and until both doors are closed, both readers are not being used. So that's very important. We call it interlock in ICT Protégé. Some other brands may call it man traps, but in reality it's the same feature. What's really nice about ICT and man traps or interlock is the fact that we can create a group of doors, not only two doors, but I can create a whole logic of interlocking between different doors. So this one door here can be linked to two other doors, all right? And then it's the status of each door that will make the opposite reader work or not, okay? If the opposite door is open, I badge my card, I'm gonna be denied by interlock, basically meaning that there's already a door being open. Applications for this, like I said, in the cannabis industry, maybe in banks, also in the pharmaceutical industry where people need to be decontaminated or need to put a special suit on to protect them. There's a lot of application, and like I said, now this is a feature that is built in most advanced access control system. So again, I wanted to show you another great feature that exists on this market and that I think you need to know about so that you know how to use it and that this is available in your next project. As you know, Inaxsys is a distributor of ICT Protégé products. Okay? If you need help with a quote, if you need more information, if you need a demonstration on the product, please contact our sales team. You can visit www.inaxsys.com and then we will help you very quickly. We have a whole team across Canada available just for you. So thanks for watching. My name is Fred Bergeron from Inaxsys.